Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna make some corrections, so I'm gonna share my screen with you. The correction is on the product. So when I did this problem in the lecture video, I think I made a lot of mistakes because this is a lot of number to take a look at. So I'm gonna just kind of redo it again. Maybe it will be a little bit easier to understand. So I'm gonna write it out a little bit better this time. So product A times B. So in the video we're talking about we're gonna take the first row times the first column. Okay, so first row times first column, that will be your 1-1 entry on your answer. So I'm gonna just write it out slowly. So 2 times 6 plus -10 times 0, okay, plus -2 times -5. All right, so remember when we look back on these, we always first row times the first column. So 1-1 entry times 1-1 entry plus 1-2 entry times 2-1 entry plus 1-3 entry times what? 3-1 entry. So that's exactly what we're doing still. All right, I'm gonna put the answer down here. All right, so that's 12 plus 0. Okay, -2 times -5. That's +10. Well, I'm gonna go on to the next one. So I believe on the homework, I need you to write them out. Okay. Some students write out these. Most students write it out like these. That would be awesome. So here I'm just gonna do it slowly. All right. So row 1 times column 2. So that's 2 times 10 plus -10 times -12 plus -2 times 2. So that's 20. And that should be +120. And that should be -4. All right. Row 1, column 3. Row 1, column 3. So that will give me 1-3 entry, right? Row 1, column 3. That will be this entry right here. 2 times -2 plus, oops, sorry. Put it up here. I'm gonna put it right below here. 2 times -2 plus -10 times -4 plus -2 times -2. So that should give me -4 plus 40 plus 4. All right. So that's row 1 times all 3 columns. Okay, so let's start over with row 2. Row 2, column 1. Row 2, column 1. So your answer is going to be on row 2, first entry. Row 2, column 1 will be right here. So I'm going to write it right below here. So -4 times 6 plus 3 times 0 plus 10 times -5. All right, so that'll be -24 plus 0 minus 50. All right, plus -50. All right, let's do the blue one. Row 2, column 2. So that should be -4 times 10 plus 3 times -12 plus 10 times 2. Okay, so hopefully you kind of get an idea. Row 2, column 2. Row 2, column 2, that will be a 2-2 entry. So that will be -40 minus 36 plus 20. Okay, last one right here. So that would be -4. Let me erase this one above it. Okay, since I already got the answer down here, put it right here. -4 times -2 plus 3 times -4 plus 10 times -2. So that should give me 8 minus 12 minus 20. Okay, let's go to row 3, column 1. Row 3, column 1, 4 times 6 plus -2 times 0 plus 2 times -5. So that should be 24 plus 0 minus 10. Row 3, column 2. Row 3, column 2, right? That'll be this position right here. 4 times 10 plus -2 times -12 plus 2 times 2. That'll be 40 plus 24 plus 4. All right, row 3, column 3. So that will be 4 times -2 plus -2 times -4 plus the 2 times the -2. So that's -8 plus 8 and minus 4, right? So once you roll all this stuff out, then you can actually start add them up. Okay, 32. This is that's -74. And this is 34. Okay, so you can actually add them all up with your calculator, and you will actually get the answer. So on the homework, I don't ask you to do all these. I just ask you to do one particular ones. So while I have it here open up, I'm gonna kind of give you a hint. So we can kind of do this correctly. So what I want to do is, let me make sure this is, what I want y'all to do is actually part like these, okay? Part like these, where you kind of multiply them together, okay? Take row 1, take row 1 times, take row 1 times column 1, okay? Kind of write them out for your 1-1 entry. So it's not difficult. You don't have to tell me what the answer is. You need to, I just want to make sure that you understand how this operation works, you know, when you write it out. You know, you can actually put this in the calculator and you actually give it a product, 32 straight up. But I just want to make sure that a student understand, okay, how we actually do it by hand, okay? So write them out for me on the homework. Thank you for watching.